sensitive and gifted people, and then another group of soul investigators. You know, I think it's what sets us apart. Okay, man, so what are you picking up?
And we've reached our destination.
This is the Brown House, located in Newton, North Carolina.
Our experiences basically come down to each of us had a personal experience when we were here.
Somebody standing behind me when I was sitting on the couch over there.
Who's that?
And I'm not kidding, it was an aggressive knock. It was, it wasn't a knock, it was something punched the wall and it shook. You could feel the floor shake.
Was that? So this is the creepy house, guys.
Oh, something was just thrown.
Was that light bulb? I don't know. We haven't set the throne up here.
You know, this is like deja vu.
And what happened?
It got picked up and thrown.
Just leave overnight, literally, leaving their items behind. It's possibly something inhuman in this house. Is that you? Sounded like it came from you.
It was right underneath that.
It was like right here.
Hit the ceiling in the basement, like with maybe a broomstick.
I feel like something's behind here.
Are you in the bathroom here?
But I don't know, maybe it was something else. It was weird that
But
just
there's no
by chance.
EMF in this place. That's what gets me. It's like nothing.
Doors slamming, swords flying.
Swords?